Let's make it look like an old picture. We'll start by adding a backing, and this is simply the scan of a fly leaf. When I'll book, we'll move it behind the photograph. Go to the photograph layer and make a clipping mask with a layer beneath so it's only visible where it overlaps the underlying layer. And now let's change the mode of this photograph from normal to overlay. And that allows the texture to show through, but it also allows the color to show through, which gives it this nice faded photo appearance. Let's add the border. We'll use the LA tool to select an almost rectangular shape. If you held the Option or Out key, the lasso tool will draw straight lines between points where you click. And I'm making this deliberately a little bit inaccurate, so it exaggerates the sense of this being an old photograph with the selection made. Let's now inverse that selection, so everything else is selected. Go onto the backing and copy it. We can now go to the photo layer and paste it in. The border's looking too dark, so let's use the curves adjustment and drag up on the curve to brighten that border. This is how the original picture looked, and by changing the mode to overlay, we allow all the texture to show through. Quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.